Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are bringing you a sad news. Comedian Gilbert Gottfried is dead. And how did he die? The cause of death is supposed to be myotonic dystrophy. So in this video, we are going to explore more about this. We'll find out what is this disease. So let's get started. We are learning more about the death of comedian Gilbert Gottfried, which was announced on April 12th. According to a statement from Gottfried's longtime friend and publicist Glenn Schwartz, Gottfried died from recurrent ventricular tachycardia due to myotonic dystrophy type 2, a disorder that affects the heart. So what is this myotonic dystrophy type 2? According to Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center, which is a part of the National Institute of Health, myotonic dystrophy type 2 is one of the two types of myotonic dystrophy, which is a disease that affects the muscles and other body system. This is listed as a form of muscular dystrophy. According to the website, this is recognized in 90s as a milder version of myotonic dystrophy type 1, which is also known as Steiner disease. So what is this disease caused by? According to Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center, two types of myotonic dystrophy are caused by mutation or changes in a human gene, specifically a gene called as CNBP. What are the symptoms of this disease? According to Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center, it is characterized by progressive muscle wasting and weakness, with symptoms typically beginning in a person's 20s. People with this condition often have a prolonged muscle and contractions and are not able to relax muscles after use. Also affected people have slurred speech, temporary locking of their jaw, muscle pain, and weakness that mainly affects the neck, shoulders, elbows, and hips. So is there a way you get this disease? This is a disease that it cannot be contracted in a manner that would a person would come down with flu, for example. It is not contagious. It is a genetic disease, and it can be passed from one generation to other through mutations and through genetic passing of the gene. So one copy of the mutated gene in each cell is enough to cause the symptom of this condition. So in most cases, affected person has at least one parent who was affected by this condition, so it is passed on genetically. How would a person be diagnosed with the disease? It has to be diagnosed via a physical exam, and the definitive test for any kind of myotonia dystrophy is definitely a genetic test. How is this condition treated? The website of the Genetic and Rare Diseases Information Center states that there is no cure or specific treatment for myotonia dystrophy, and the treatment is aimed at mainly managing the symptoms. The website states that the heart problem associated with the disease can be treated through inserting a pacemaker, medication, and regular monitoring of cardiac function. That's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more informative news. Thanks for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye-bye.